Hey there, sweltering souls. Are you tired of melting in the scorching heat every summer? Well, not, because I've got just a solution for you: portable air conditioners. Whether you're dealing with a small apartment or simply want to stay cool on the go, these nifty portable devices are here to save the day. In this video, we'll dive into the 5 best portable air conditioners and help you find the absolute best ones out there. So sit back, watch the full video, and check the links given in the description for updated prices and information. Number 1 is BLACK+DECKER 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. Transform any space into a refreshing oasis with this portable air conditioner. This powerful unit is designed to cool rooms up to 350 square feet, providing an icy escape from the scorching heat. This powerful 8000 BTU ASHRAE 128 rated air conditioner not only cools your space, but it also functions as a dehumidifier and fan. Say goodbye to sticky summer days as it efficiently removes excess moisture from the air, providing you with a comfortable and dry environment. Chill like a boss from anywhere. It features a convenient remote control, so no need to get up from your cozy spot on the couch. Just adjust the temperature, fan speed, and mode right from your seat. Plus, its top-mounted control panel features an LED display. This powerful cooling companion weighs in at only 45.8 pounds, making it a breeze to move around and set up wherever you need it most. Equipped with a convenient slide-out washable filter, this unit ensures that your indoor environment remains fresh and free from airborne particles. And lastly, say goodbye to the constant chore of emptying the water tank. This unit features advanced auto water evaporation technology. Number 2 is DELLA 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. Experience year-round comfort with the DELLA 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. Designed to cool and heat small to medium-sized rooms up to 350 square feet. This versatile appliance ensures you stay cozy no matter the season. Whether it's a scorching summer day or a chilly winter night, simply adjust the settings to enjoy the perfect temperature all year long. It provides powerful cooling and ventilation to keep you comfortable no matter how hot it gets outside. With its self-evaporate system, you won't have to worry about emptying a water tank, making maintenance a breeze. Plus, the sleep mode feature ensures a peaceful night's rest by adjusting the temperature and fan speed for optimal comfort. Its 2 fan speeds allow you to customize the airflow to your liking. The 24-hour timer lets you set it to automatically turn on or off according to your schedule. And the auto restart feature ensures that your cooling experience continues seamlessly once power is restored. It offers an amazing built-in dehumidifier that removes up to 41.8 pints of moisture per day. And lastly, it has a removable and washable double-layer filter. This powerful feature ensures that harmful dust particles and pesky pet dander are efficiently trapped, leaving you with clean and refreshing air to breathe. Number 3 is ZAFRO 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. Save on your electricity costs with the ZAFRO 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. Designed to use less energy, this innovative unit ensures you can enjoy a refreshing coolness without worrying about skyrocketing bills. Suitable for bedrooms up to 350 SQ/ft, it delivers stable and fast cooling. It takes your comfort to the next level with its innovative 3-in-1 modes. Whether you need a refreshing cool breeze, a dehumidifier to eliminate excess moisture, or simply want to circulate air with the fan mode, this unit has got you covered. Plus, the easy-to-operate digital display compact remote makes it a breeze to adjust settings from anywhere in the room. Say goodbye to noisy air conditioners that disrupt your much-needed rest, and hello to the tranquility offered by this portable air conditioner. Equipped with a cutting-edge 2023 generation high-efficiency compressor and a sleep mode feature, our unit operates at just 54 decibels. And lastly, the inclusion of convenient wheels allows you to effortlessly roll it into any room with a hung or sliding window, eliminating the hassle of complex installation procedures. Number 4 is DeLonghi PACM 370WH Pinguino Portable Air Conditioner. Experience the chilling power of this portable air conditioner, designed to cool spacious rooms up to 500 square feet. With its impressive ASHRAE 11,500 and SAC 6,700 rated cooling power, this portable air conditioner is designed to tackle even the largest of rooms. It comes equipped with a washable filter that effectively screens out impurities, ensuring the air in your space remains clean and fresh. Unlike other air conditioners, cleaning this filter is a breeze. Simply rinse it under the faucet for a quick and easy maintenance routine. Surprisingly, it is designed to be energy-saving and efficiency-boosting. This means you can enjoy a cooler space while saving on your electricity bills. In fact, it is up to 17% more effective than previous models, ensuring maximum cooling power without unnecessary energy consumption. You can enjoy tranquil comfort with its low setting, ensuring a peaceful environment in any room. And lastly, it is dedicated to cooling your home while being environmentally responsible. Unlike conventional air conditioners, this unit uses gas that is 3 times more eco-friendly, reducing your carbon footprint. Number 5 is EENOUR QN750 Portable Air Conditioner. This air conditioner is equipped with a powerful 2900 BTU H dual-piston compressor and dual-hose system, allowing you to reduce the outlet air temperature to a refreshing 61 degrees Fahrenheit in just 5 minutes. Whether you are relaxing in your RV, camping under the stars, hosting a BBQ, or enjoying a family gathering, our portable air conditioner will keep you cool and comfortable. With its compatibility with both 100-240-volt AC home power and 24-volt 10-amp DC power supply, it offers unrivaled versatility. Weighing only 22 pounds, this compact AC can accompany you on all your adventures. And lastly, this lightweight and easily transportable device provides instant relief from heat without any complicated installation or setup process.